बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ पे इफ़ी के लिए आना। ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण फिल्म फेस्टिवल बनता जा रहा है पूरे दुनिया में। हर साल ये और मतलब मशहूर होने लगा है दुनिया भर में, और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि मुझे इस बार आने का मौका मिला एक फ़िल्म के साथ, जो मेरी फ़िल्म है जिसका नाम है हिसाब बराबर। वो आज प्रीमियर हो रहा है, तो मैं बहुत नर्वस हूँ, खुश हूँ। और हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब के लिए हम चाहते हैं कि दुआ मांगें, क्योंकि वो एक बहुत नाजुक और बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट दौर से गुजर रहे हैं। उसके अलावा हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि सबको पिक्चर अच्छी
From the south, and after late you have been doing very less work in Tamil and Telugu. When can we expect more work in Tamil and Telugu?
Actually, after this year, I hope they will forgive me, because there's too much work coming out in 2025. About 3 films in Tamil itself, and then about 3 or 4 in Hindi, and so I've got a big lineup for the next 2 years. All your complaints will be taken care of. Thank you for the love, though.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So how do you feel about the IFFI? Very excited. Truly an honor to be on the 55th anniversary of IFFI and this beautiful red carpet. Very humbled that they've given us the platform to showcase one of the most important films of our careers, Hisab Barabar. It's such an honor working with Maddie, with Kirti, Ashwani sir, who's unfortunately not with us today, but looking forward to the audience reacting to Mickey Mehta with Hisab Barabar.
Any message to the new aspiring filmmakers and actors or actresses?
Well, I think just keep dreaming and never let budgets or other decision factors curb your vision. I think it's very important to let your wings open up and fly.